Okay, well, I think some of y'all remember this. And I know one person does. And who likes my bike? So, yeah. I will be thinking on ditching with this. So, let's go. I am going to a house right now. I will leave my bike right here so nobody knows it was me. Because I hear some people, so I'm just gonna do this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, they just said stop. I hear somebody crying and somebody came out their house and said, was that good? Yes, it was me. Yo, I'm doing this for you. So, like, these people these white people right here, they keep on coming out their house. I think they know it's me. So I'm going to go to a neighborhood, another one. Okay, so I am out of that neighborhood right now. I'm finna go somewhere. So like I can start. Like, hey. Oh. God, I hear screaming. This girl right here is trying to push the car. Just honking off. Here you go. Yeah, what the? What happened to this mailbox? I am going to go back home, so yeah, this will be good. Okay, let's turn it around. So, I will start honking. Okay, so. Oh man, this is a lot of traffic. God, hey, what's that? Ding dong ditching the last person in my house. Comment and like for more videos.